The first step is to install the package on your Flutter app. Simply copy this and paste this to your terminal. The package will be installed. You can see it in your pubspec file. And you are ready to use this package. Now we have our demo application. I am going to remove these extra parts because we don't need them. Now we need to create new buttons. Now all we need to do is to import our package. Now when we refresh our app, we have the button. And if I click on this button, I can open the app settings. Here we can open our app settings. The next I'm going to do is to duplicate this button. If you check the documentation, we have multiple usage of this package. And based on each of them, you have to provide permissions in Android side or iOS side. For the purpose of this demo, I am going to include all of them. Okay, we are ready to go. Now next button, we are going to add the location. Copy as we start. We try to check our location access. If the location access is not enabled, it will open the settings of the location. Otherwise it will show our console message. You can see the notifications. We activate the notifications back to the app. If I check it for the second time, we are getting it in console. The next one that we are going to test is the our location. I am going to use the location. Okay, so here is the location. We check the location. And we check our application. We have the button, check the location access. So we implement the location. We check the location. And you see we can access to the location. And if we check it again, it says locations are already active. Okay, the next one we are going to test is for battery optimization. That's what's already active. Always run in the background. We allow it. That's it. If we click it again, it says it's already activated. The next one we are going to try is to get the device information. Here we are getting them on the run. We make text widget for all of them. Save it. And we have our data on screen. Okay. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.